Today I will be giving you an overview about hospital management system. So this is how a dashboard looks like. We will start from the patient registration page. So this is how the patient registration page looks like. The red color highlighted fields like first name, last name, gender, nationality, job, the date of birth, etc. These fields are the mandatory fields. So here, I am registering a new patient for you. From here, you can take a picture of a patient as well. Now, we will click on Save, and the patient will get successfully registered. As soon as you register a patient, the MRN number will get generated automatically. And this MRN number will be unique for each patient. Now, we will create one outpatient visit. We will click on this action button. Here we will click on outpatient visit, and outpatient visit pop-up opens up. Now from this add button we can also check the previous visits if any for any particular patient from here. First we will select the location name here. I'm selecting the Sandals Resort, Grenada. Then you can mention the visit type. For now, I will be sticking to new visit morning. Let's say the patient has fever, so we will enter that. We'll enter the specialty as general practice. Then we'll select the doctor or the nurse. So here I'm selecting Mr. Ronaldo Clarkey. Then the arrival date. Then you can select the departure date. And lastly, the room number. Then we'll simply click on Save. As soon as you click on Save, one visit number will get created. Now we'll click on OK. Now we can either search for existing patient. Also for that, we will click on the search button. We can search from MRN, patient name DOB, or directly can fetch the patient from this hand icon. We can update the patient details as well. For example, right now I am updating the patient gender from male to female. Then we'll click on Save. After that, our details will get successfully updated. Now we will go to the nurse. So I will log in as nurse now. Nurse will go to the clinical management. This is how the nurse dashboard looks like. The new patient, the nurse seen, the doctor seen, and the visit complete. So we'll select our patient. We have made the patient as a Droid sample demo. We'll select on that. After clicking on select, the consultation page opens up. You can collect the vitals from here. Here I'm entering, let's say, the weight is 80. The height is 5 inches, and as soon as you fill the weight and the height, the BMI, the body mass index of a person will get calculated automatically. Then we can enter the other field state as well, like the blood pressure as 100. The diastolic blood pressure is 200. Temperature is 120. And enter the instructions like in the comments, anything. And we'll simply click on Save. As soon as you click on Save, see this yellow color. This shows a condition of a blood pressure. Because we have made a triage system that shows the health condition of a patient. This is for adult. This is for children. This is for infant. And this is the pH system, with its color coding and scores as per the age and the vitals collected. So this is score-wise, like this patient's score, we can check from here, is 3. The patient's score is 3, so the patient lies in the yellow, so the doctor will see him in less than 60 minutes. If it's green, then it is okay, and the doctor will see him in less than 240 minutes. If it's orange, then the doctor will see him in less than 10 minutes. And if it's red, then immediately the doctor will have to see this patient, or this patient have to refer to the emergency. Nurse can also collect the allergies from here. Let's say she has taken the food allergy. Patient is allergic from the fish oil. Here, you can enter the reaction as patient caught the rashes. Then we'll add that. Nurse can also provide the immunizations, the batch number, any remark, and simply click on Add and save it. So the nurse can do the rest of the things as well and can perform these activities like the patient history. Presenting complaint, if like the patient has cold, so the nurse can enter it, history and examination. So this is a template based. We can enter and then save investigation and procedure. The nurse can also give the orders over here. The prescription medicine nurse can also provide the medications. Whatever the nurse will provide the medication here, it will show in the current medication. Nurse can also provide the nurse note. Let's say the nurse has given a note. But usually, these activities are performed by the doctor. So, now the nurse is done with her activity. Now the patient will go to the doctor. So, I am logged in as a doctor. The doctor will also go to the clinical management. The dashboard looks same as nurse. New patient, nurse seen, doctor seen, visit complete. He will be attending the sub-patients here. Then the doctor will acknowledge, and then click on select. Then comes to a page called consultation. If a doctor wants to make any changes to the vitals, he can do it from here. He wants to make any changes in the allergies, he can do it from here. He can also see the nurse note, if any, because we give a nurse a note to fill it up. Doctor can also provide the prescription medicine. Let's say the doctor has given a medicine as this. Dosage for ample, frequency, once a day, and number of days, for day, week, month, year, you can select any of them. Let's say food relation before lunch. So here, route means how we take the medicine. let's say as oral. Instruction would be, have it with warm water. We will add it from here. If by mistake the doctor has provided the wrong medication, he can also delete it from here. Now the doctor can also provide the investigation and procedure. So the doctor will give order from here for, let's say the doctor give amino acid. So we'll simply select from the list. So this is a laboratory order. The doctor will add it from here. Let's say the doctor has given one more order as gastroenterist. So the doctor will add from here. Okay, this is the investigation exist. So we can give any other. Let's say this. We can simply add and click on Save button. The doctor can provide the diagnosis. You can select the category as primary or additional. So basically here the primary means doctor exactly knows what happens to the patient. And additional means a condition or the complaint with its principal category. Here, now the doctor thinks it means that this patient has the typhoid fever. So, as soon as you select the typhoid fever, you also get the ICD-10 code along with it. Then you can enter a remark over here. It's optional. Then again, add it. And simply save. This is the history and the examination tab. This is a template-based. Doctor can enter, let's suppose, test sample. Here, let's say anything. And can simply save on it. The doctor can take a printout of dynamic reports from here. You can see the details from here as well. He can also mention the presenting complaint. Now the patient says he has fever. The doctor will add from here. Then he says that he has cold. So you can add it as cold. So whatever we have provided. The medicine will be shown in the current medication over here. If you will make the visit next day, then the previous medication will be shown here. Then we'll come to the doctor recommendations. If doctor wants to give any of the recommendations, he can provide that. Let's see the doctor provide that cervical and vaginal biopsy. So doctor can simply add that now that the doctor wants that this patient should come for the follow-up appointment, so doctor can also provide that he can defer the patient to the hospital as well. Doctor can given his notes from here. Let's say the doctor has given. Doctor can see the nurse note. Doctor can refer to any other doctor from here. Make sure that all the details are filled. Yes, so here the doctor has given the prescriptions, diagnosis, medication, etc. Now, there are some different options also. There are some different hospitals that ask you to make some payments. So we will go to the billing and collection module for that. We'll click on billing and collection. Here's the outpatient billing page that opens up. We'll simply click on search button. We'll search our patient. So these are the consultation charges, new consultation. And these are the services which we have provided from the doctor module. There is an activity of a discount. We can give the discount the percentage-wise or the amount-wise. There is a value of a box. We can put any value in this box. Like here, I'm giving 10% discount against this service. Now, we'll click on Calculate. Here, the discount approved pop-ups opens up. Here, we can select any of the doctor. Let's say I have selected the doctor as Brianna Williams. We can enter any of the remark. Let's say discount approved. We'll click on OK. After that, simply we can click on Save button. While collecting the payment, you can accept it in different mode type like cash, check, credit card, debit card, etc. Then we'll click on Save. As soon as you click on Save, a detailed report is generated. You can hand over this report to the patient as well. Here in this report, you can see all the services which we have provided will be shown here. The diagnosis which we have provided will be shown here. So, this is a detailed report. You can cancel the bill if you want to from here. There's an option in the OPD invoice. I think that's all from my end. And I am ending this demo here. Thank you so much.